Good afternoon students. We will study lecture 4 reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Three reactions we have studied in the last PPT. Here it is the fourth reaction, that is N2G. N2G is the ammonia derivative where G represented the general group. When any derivative of ammonia reacts with carbonyl compound, they form unstable intermediate. When it loses water molecule, condensation product is formed. So carbonyl group is there, NH2G, this is the ammonia derivative, unstable intermediate is formed, and which by loss of water molecule a condensation product is formed. So is the reaction of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivative, we are getting this type of condensation product. Example 1 of this reaction, when acetone reacts with hydroxylamine, that is derivative of ammonia, gives unstable product which loses water molecule to give acetone oxime. Acetone is there, CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus hydroxylamine. OH is hydroxyl, NH2 is amine. Hydroxylamine we will get unstable product first, CH3COH CH3 NHOH, then when loses water molecule to give acetone oxime, CH3C double bond NHOH CH3. This is acetone oxime is formed. Example 2 of reaction 4, acetaldehyde reacts with hydroxylamine to give acetaldeoxime. So acetaldehyde is there, CH3 C double bond OH plus hydroxylamine NH2OH gives first unstable product which on removal of water molecule gives a condensation product, that is acetaldeoxime, CH3 CH double bond NaOH CH3. This is acetaldeoxime. Now example 3 of reaction 4, benzaldehyde reacts with hydroxylamine to give unstable product which loses water molecule to give benzaldeoxime. So benzaldehyde is there on benzene ring aldehyde group. When reacts with hydroxylamine NH2OH, first we will get the addition product, then benzaldeoxime is formed on benzene ring CH double bond NOH oxime. So we are getting benzaldeoxime, means benzaldehyde on condensation with hydroxylamine gives benzaldeoxime. Next, aldol condensation. When any aldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen atom reacts together in presence of dilute alkali, a condensation product aldol is obtained. In aldol, both aldehyde and alcohol are present. So aldol is named. Al means aldehyde, DOL means alcohol. So in the aldol, aldehyde and alcohol group is present. Example, acetaldehyde on condensation with another molecule of acetaldehyde gives 3-hydroxybutanol. It has aldehyde group at C1 and alcoholic group at C3. At C1 you are having aldehyde group C double bond OH, and at position 3 you are having hydroxyl group. So 3-hydroxybutanol or beta hydroxybutylaldehyde. Beta hydroxy means carbonyl next carbon is known as alpha, and to that another, that is beta. So this aldol condensation will give is the reaction by is given by aldehydes and ketones, such aldehydes and ketones which are having alpha hydrogen. What do you mean by alpha hydrogen? On the carbonyl group, next carbon is known as alpha carbon and hydrogens on it are known as alpha hydrogen. So only such aldehydes and ketone which have alpha hydrogen will give aldol condensation. Example 2 of aldol condensation. Ketones having alpha hydrogen also undergo aldol condensation. Aldehydes will also undergo and ketones will also undergo aldol condensation. Acetone condenses with another molecule of acetone to give 4-hydroxy pentane to pentanone or aldol. So we are having one acetone molecule, another acetone molecule. In the presence of dilute base, we are getting diacetone alcohol or 4-hydroxy pentane to pentanone is aldol, known as aldol. So on 2 position carbonyl group is there, so 2 pentanone, 4 position hydroxy group is there, so 4-hydroxy pentanone is formed, is known as aldol. Next is Cannizzaro reaction. When any aldehyde without alpha hydrogen atom reacts with concentrated sodium or potassium hydroxide undergoes self-oxidation reaction to give one aldehyde get converted into alcohol and another aldehyde get converted into carbox. This sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So 2 formaldehyde molecule gives methanol and sodium formate. C double bond O HH, C double bond OH. These are formaldehyde. This is the aldehyde group with no alpha hydrogen atom. In the presence of NaOH, one aldehyde molecule gets converted into methanol, another formaldehyde molecules get converted into sodium formate. This is the Cannizzaro reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction, two formaldehyde molecules gives one molecule is converted into methanol and another molecule is converted into sodium formate. Example 2 of Cannizzaro reaction. Aromatic aldehyde without alpha hydrogen also undergo this reaction. Two molecules of benzaldehyde undergo reaction to give benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. That means Cannizzaro reaction is given by aliphatic aldehyde and also aromatic aldehyde. Here benzaldehyde molecule, two benzaldehyde molecule, one benzene ring C double bond OH, that is benzaldehyde, another benzene ring C double bond OH is also benzaldehyde molecule in the presence of concentrated NaOH. One molecule gets converted into benzyl alcohol and another by into sodium benzoate. So on benzene ring CH2 means this is benzyl group OH alcoholic. So benzyl alcohol. Sodium benzoate on benzene ring COO and Na. So this is sodium benzoate. So if it is benzene COH, that is benzoic acid. So H is removed and Na is there. So sodium benzoate is formed. So example 2 of Cannizzaro reaction, two benzaldehyde molecules get converted into benzyl alcohol and sodium benzoate. Next, benzoin condensation. When benzaldehyde is set with aqueous ethanol in NaCN or KCN, it forms alpha hydroxy ketone. It is also known as benzoin. So two benzaldehyde molecules in the presence of sodium cyanide gives benzoin. Benzoin means alpha hydroxy ketone. Two benzene molecules are there. On first carbon OH is there, another carbon double bond O is there. Next carbonyl group, next carbon is known as alpha, and alpha position O is there. So alpha hydroxy ketone is there. It is also known as benzoin. So in benzoin condensation, two benzaldehyde molecules get converted into benzoin. So here mechanism is there. The benzoin condensation is a coupling reaction because two aromatic aldehydes which don't have alpha hydrogen atom will give this reaction, and what will be prepared? Benzoin is formed, alpha hydroxy ketone, and in the presence of alcoholic KCN. So here we are seeing the reaction. Benzaldehyde molecule is there. On first carbon you are seeing that carbonium ion is formed and another molecule is having carbanium. This carbanium will attack on carbonium and a condensation products alpha hydroxy ketone is formed in the presence of alcoholic KCN. So in benzoin condensation, two benzaldehyde molecules get converted into benzoin, a alpha hydroxy ketone. Thank you.